देखिए कितना अच्छा लग रहा है। बरे वार मारताना. It was so windy but it was so much fun. मुकामुकाचं आहे तुम्ही. Just to feel that breeze in my hair, I was feeling refreshed already. Hi everyone, how are we? I'm Swazmata Sugli Bori Haimun. I am doing absolutely fine. Thank you for showing me so much of love. Ani aaj amela amge inga rauti savyuge mami ge friend our auntie mutte like we always do, right? Am konaku गोया मुई जाऊं मेरे आंटी अंकल मुजाब दिताय नो सो तेज बाशी हांव तेंगे थिंगा जेला कम टू आंटीज हाउस. वुड यू लाइक टू से समथिंग?
I would like to just say God bless you.
Thank you. Do you want to say something to my YouTube family?
I would like to say to them, be happy, be smiley, and always please click on red button always and just say I love you. And please give as much as you guys can do it because it's doing a good job.
Thank you. Look at the backyard. There's lake. Bare हाँ. Nature's beauty. हेचो तुमकां दाखयत न्हू हांव ती करीपत्ता. हेचोय करीपत्ता आहा आंटी कडेन आनी हेचोय न्हू करीपत्ता फळ जाताय ती मागीर पोंटेक आनी झाड जाताय. सो इट्स नायस एंड प्रिटी. जायत झाडां आहाय. हांव न्हू थिंग बसपा वयता जस्ट टू स्पेंड सम टायम विथ नेचर. थिंगचें बरीं नुस्तें आहाय दिसती पडटाय तुमकां. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to sit with nature and just talk to you. Just talk to you about how nature is a blessing to us and kitkoncho yata there's different sound. Bare oth potense todache bare oth pota. There's sun shining. आणि आप अपना गेनो nature सगळे अपना एक काम कोता. The water is flowing. There's breeze. झाडां हाय ती बरी आलताय दोलताय. So in the same way, केन्ना न्हू you have to step out. You have to step out and you have to spend time with nature. आता आम कित कोताय we live in concrete houses, artificial lights, and there's so much noise. But what we really want is to come out of that noise sometime, to just, we have to disconnect our mind, ourself, and nature bole no bare bospache, and we have to reconnect again. Amge sola hanu, it will thank you later. Because what you're doing is you're helping your soul to rejuvenate itself. Now, at झाडां हाय चोय. झाडां हाय ती they teach us no that the trees stand tall. There's different weathers, there's different seasons, there's storms, there's rain. But what they do is they stand strong. आमी आमगे झाडां उदक घाताय सार घाताय and it helps them to even send their roots even deeper into the ground and stay strong. The same way, we also have people to nurture us, to protect us, to take care of us, to look after us, to look out for us. पूण केन्ना कित जाता there's no one right in your life आणि तुका दिसता तूं एकलें आहा वो एकलो आहा and you lose hope. But म्हणणी आहा न्हू दोंगरा वयले झाडां देव शिंपीत म्हण. So never think that you're alone. Stay strong. Keep sailing. Keep swimming. Just like the ocean. दोरी कित शिकयता आमकां? दोरी आमकां शिकयता keep on sailing. वादळ मोड येता but ते वादळ मोड सोदां उरता ना. ते वादळ मोड सोदां उरना तेच्या फाटल्यान बरो दीस येता. It's not always that you're feeling low. केन्ना तरी तुगे लायफां उजवाड येता right. आतां हांव तुमकां उलयता न्हू and I'll show you something very cute, very lovely that is in front of me. चोयाय तुमी एक चोयाय. Look how beautiful they are. बारा बोयले हाय ती but they are all sailing differently. So आपण एशी तेशी वयताय चोय पूण बारा बोर वयताय. They're enjoying their life, they're enjoying their journey together, being together. However, they have got their individual self. ती कोणा हाटल्या दोन वचनाय. ती सगळी आपणागे स्ट्रेंथान वयताय. And when you do that, you find yourself over again. So actually हे आता भोंवता तेंचे बोले पयस ती वयताय पूण मुखा मुखा चोयाय. शी इज नॉट लुकींग बिहायंड. ते हाटल्यान चोयना ते आपणागे स्विम करीत वयता. Maybe she wants to explore. बरें चोय तेच्या हाटल्यान चोय. Look. आनी वयता तें वयता तेच्या हाटल्यान तें वयता. So there's always someone who's coming behind you. You're never alone. There's always someone for you. So बराबर वयताय ओडो ते एकले हाटल्यान गेलो म्हण ते तेच्या हाटल्यान गेलो न्हू हेच्या आत बराबर वयताय. You know what I like to say? बाकी बरें दिसता. तुमी देखून चोयला न्हू हांव गाडयेन येता आसतना बरो सनरूफ ओपन केला and I like to take the fresh air. Feel that fresh air into my hair, on my skin and just feel it. Same way आता आमी पावस पडटा दोना म्हणटा अरे कितू पावस पडटा पूण तोच पावस आमकां हेल्प कोना आमगे शेतकारां हेल्प कोना. But the same way we should embrace everything. केन्ना न्हू तोंडाचे स्किनाचे आमगेल्या ते रेन ड्रॉप्स पडटाय न्हू ते बरे फील करपा जाय. Because you never know if you're going to experience it tomorrow. And we shouldn't disturb our nature. आमनो नेचरा त्रास करपा शिरीपणाय. Because once we do, it will come to bite us. When we trouble nature, of course, it will trouble us. So let's protect our nature, and into generations to come, they will thank us, they will thank you for planting a tree, to looking after the environment, to see the greenery, and to just be, and to just बरें fresh air घेवपा, बरें fresh air breathe करपा. And that is how we, healthy life. आम कित जाय आमकां वार जायो, आमकां ओत जाय नाजाल्यार रोखडी कित म्हणटाय विटामिन डी लेस आहा म्हणटाय कित्याक ओत ना, ओत मेळना. Let us protect our mother earth. Let us conserve the energy. Today we save our planet. Tomorrow our planet is going to save us. and just be with nature. There's so many things to learn from nature. Maashe todo go sache o sokani. Maashe bosai. You see different things happening. Kena zad potoli, kena pan potoli. Ani soda mutainu. Fula soda orsa barai muin bloom zai nai. So it takes time for beautiful things to grow and to bloom. It takes time. So take your time. Don't rush. Like nature never rushes. It shines in its own glory. Apnange timer. It does what it has to do. So give yourself that time. It's okay to give yourself that time. Not everyone grows at the same pace. Soglange journey no same asna. Kenna tum mutoli tek begin success mede apna medona. Pun te munchagi journey different and tuge different. It's how at the end you get there. It's the journey, it's the experiences you face, what you learn from your experiences, and it's all about time. It's to get time at todona tuk metole. And your journey is different. Understand that. Tu zaite tras kale, te tu get time el mutri tuk metolo. Ani konage journey tu apna ko compare kurpano. When you're looking into nature, there's beauty in everything that you see. Motaino, it's in the eyes of the beholder. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Same way. It's up to you how you see life. Find beauty in everything you see. And then watch how your life changes. Hing bare bosonno bare jua bare disota. I just close my eyes and I thank God for today. I thank God for this beautiful day without complaining. Mashe od dita, mashe paus dita, mashe shi hata na. Munis no complain kori tra otolo. Ane am kotai complain. But at the end, we have to think and have that gratitude. And be thankful for the gift of life, because not many people have seen this day. But you are the blessed one. Tuk odis pauzal mun. Deva ko mago zai. Look at heavens. Thank you, Lord. क्या लगता है इधर बैठ के सोनम?
बहुत अच्छा फील होता
है ना?
We feel peace, like we are in heaven.
You feel peace and you feel like you're in heaven.
Yeah.
सही बात है.
It's very nice.
The water is very soothing.
है ना? खुले आसमान में ऐसे अगर इधर बेड होता ना, मैं ऐसे करके इधर सो जाती और रात को फिर सोने चलती. नहीं वैसे नहीं, ऐसे ही बस.
असा नवरस गणपती विसर्जन आसता. सो माकी चोयता सकल गणपती दिसती पळय. चोय हांव उदका कोण आहा काय म्हण.
Slow and steady wins the race.
बरे दोन tortoise आहे. एकला नाव वीर and the other one is Zara. Here, John Gaila and they are eating peas. कोण किती मोठा आहे त्यांका पुलाव बिगाता येते सो इथे खाता येते.
कुछ भी नहीं है, बिल्कुल प्लेन है.
Are you sure?
100% right.
I am first time. हांव सांग खाता
पूरी खा लो.
तीखी नहीं है
बिल्कुल नहीं. मैंने बोला
कैसे?
वो ढूंढ सकते हो ना आप खुद. I can look for it. I know how to look for it.
आंटी मिर्ची की दोस्त
ये लो,
है.
ये लो.
Thank you.
I can know which mirchi. Like if I give you this one, you will not be able to put it in your mouth
How do you know?
because I know you can tell the chilies.
Okay.
You can speak to chilies. You have to talk to chilies.
It's experience.
Yes. Makes
Now-
you perfect.
Now she has given me stuffed kachori.
How is it good?
Very good.
बाबू मुझे आपके 2 डब्बा दे देना. मैं आपको 2 डब्बा और मंगवा दूंगी.
કચોરી બરી લાવો તા.
એ દિવસે કૃતિકાને બધા આવશે ને આ પાછો ઊંઘી ગયો હશે કુંજુન લેવાનું દોડવું પડશે મારે.
गरम है. so तुम सोनाला चयलो ना मुगे फर्स्ट व्लॉगा त्याच्या आंटी केले वैक्सिंग होता. हाय बोल सोनल कुछ बोलना है
हाय.
जो लंदन गोवन से उनको कुछ बोलना है.
I am doing beauty services. Mainly, I am specialist about body massage and acupressure therapy. I have a good knowledge about pains and all. Sometimes somebody have a pain, so they will call me. Sonal, can you help? They feel relaxed because after pregnancy, mom will feel too tired and both need special care. So I'm doing care like breast lifting massage and postnatal massage for specialists like a uterus size or normal. So it is helpful for everybody. So anybody need a postnatal massage and baby massage. So
thank you. बरे entrance मोरा पाक है. It's a beautiful day today. Beautiful. So बरे ऐसा था ना.
आप बताओ तमे कौन दी
नहीं कितना लेना चाहिए?
किसका?
मिनी कैप का.
मिनी कैप का 100 तो बनता ही है.
बनता है ना.
बनता है.
वो भी इतना.
ये थोड़ी ना मिनी कैप है.
तो
ये तो
डबल एक्सेल है ना.
डबल एक्सेल. एक्सेल से भी किंग साइज है.
वो भी मैडम वो भी खुद मालिक चला रहा है.
हाँ वही. उसका प्राइस होना चाहिए ना.
जी बिल्कुल.
उसका प्राइस होना चाहिए.
पर्सनल टच का.
पर्सनल टच का ओनरशिप का.
हाँ.
Find your peace within, even though it might be noisy outside in the surroundings. But just be yourself and you will shine. Investing rosteros at pampas grass.
Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed the vlog as much as I have loved being here, surrounding nature and appreciating everything that nature does for us. So let's protect it so it can protect us at the end and save us at the end. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support, and until I see you again in my next vlog, love yourself, be kind and shine. Bye.